I'm here to discuss a serious case that has sadly impacted the health and well-being of many young girls, both here in South Wales and further afield in England. South Wales Police launched Operation Heleia in 2024 in response to allegations of online child sexual exploitation, culminating in the sentencing of 18-year-old Kyle Fisher at Crown Court for multiple offences which include blackmail and inciting children to engage in sexual activity. Fisher's victims were aged 10 to 15, who he disgracefully coerced into creating harmful content through emotional threats and blackmail. During the investigation, it was revealed his mobile phone contained thousands of messages that included threats to hack into victims' social media accounts if they did not comply. Disturbingly, he even manipulated some victims into committing acts with pets and threatened to self-harm if they did not send explicit images. The investigation revealed Fisher potentially contacted around 200 young people, with 19 confirmed victims of serious sexual offences. Following a thorough judicial process, Fisher has now been sentenced. South Wales Police will not stop in our relentless pursuit of these offenders, and we will do all that we can to protect the most vulnerable members of our community. The safety of our children is paramount, and this case highlights the collective need for vigilance by everyone in our communities in identifying online exploitation. I want to thank the families involved with Operation Heleia, as it cannot be understated the enduring impact this case has had on them and their loved ones affected by Fisher's appalling actions. Whilst we acknowledge today's court results, we must also confront broader issues associated with the internet. The digital age has transformed our lives, but also harbours harmful content and malicious practices. A Netflix series, Adolescence, underscores the troubling effects of exposure to misogynistic content, serving as a wake-up call for parents and guardians. Social media can be a double-edged sword, fostering connection, but also anxiety and distress amongst young people. Linked to Operation Heleia, I want to ask the parents and guardians of boys and young men to discuss online activities with them, not as surveillance, but to ensure they understand boundaries, risks, and healthy relationships. As we navigate the digital landscape, let's recognise both the opportunities and challenges it presents, and by embracing its positives, but whilst remaining vigilant about the risks, we can create a safer online experience for everyone. Diolch. Thank you.